Metro Vapors. Metro Vapors. Sonic Boom. Let's get the light to focus a little bit there. Sonic Boom. Very nice. Childproofness works. This is a 90 VG 10 PG juice, so it does take a second, just a second for the dropper to fill up. Also comes in 80/20. This is 0, 1.5, 3, and 6 is the Nick level. Another good one. Another good one. Thank you, GuardWolf21 over there at Wolf's Rain Network on Vapors TV. This is a win. Thank you, Metro. Let's see here. Let's see here. $14.99 is going to get you a 30 ml bottle, and $29.99 is going to get you a 120 ml bottle. Sit back as this little angry orb unleashes a sonic boom of mango, peach, and blueberry on the palate. Mango and peach wreak a pleasant havoc on the olfactory senses, while the blueberry sweetens the mix. So are you ready to step into the vapor arena with Sonic Boom? Are you? Are you ready? It's like a wrestling quote or something crazy. The blueberry is very nice in there. Oh, yeah. I'm not really getting peach in this one, but the mango is there. The blueberry is rounding out the mango, though. Very nice. Very nice, smooth, mellow vape. Plenty of flavor. Mm. Nice cloud, too. As always, links will be down the bottom. It's good juice, man. It's good juice. Sonic Boom. Very tasty. Very tasty. Y'all have fun now. Because I know I will.